आई एम स्टिल ए स्टूडेंट। तो क्या हुआ सर कि वो इतने रंगीन पोशाक वाले हमारे प्राध्यापक, उसके बाद बड़ा मुश्किल लगता है, क्योंकि मैं जिस शहर का हूँ ना, उस शहर का प्रतीक है नारंगी। और बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग है, कबीर बोलते थे कि क्या विडंबना है, जिसमें रंग है उसको नारंगी बोलते हैं, जिसमें रंग नहीं है उसको नारंगी बोलते हैं। ऐसा जिसको पाया उसको खोया बोलते हैं। तो चलिए, in 1980 there was a gentleman, he wrote a book called The Cupping of Post-Industrial Society by Daniel Bell। उन्होंने कहा कि इंडस्ट्री खत्म हो जाएगी। यहाँ आने के पहले मैं इंडस्ट्री में काम करता था, तो मैंने भी अपने आप को इंडस्ट्री से एकेडमिया में लिया, नॉलेज सेक्टर में, यूनिवर्सिटी के संग आ गया। और जो सारी बातें भी प्रोफेसर संजीव शर्मा ने कही, मैं उनके बारे में भी थोड़ा बात करना चाहता हूँ। So I have been working with this university. I would also like to tell you the kind of work that the university is doing in the area of AI and what we are doing with Professor Shukla, Professor Veerpal. So in the last few years, since the advent of ChatGPT, the world is dominated every day by some breaking news. The world of AI has become like, Times Now or Republic India kind of a show, breaking news. Every day you are getting some breaking news. Some 2.0, 3.0, somebody talks about nano banana, somebody talks about orange. It's a great confusion. Nobody knows what is happening in the world of AI. We are all reacting. Every day you open your mobile, somebody will talk about this new technology has come, this thing has come, transformer has come. We don't know what is happening, and we don't know tomorrow what will come. So friends, we are in a very reactive mode. So what we have done along with the university is to make a foresight of what is going to happen in AI in next 10 years. So we created a forecast and foresight on what is going to happen in the world of AI in next 10 years. Having done this, in the next few days, few weeks, we realized that forecast in AI is useless, because it changes so fast. Whatever you said tomorrow will happen, something different happens. So we have now come out with something which we called a near sight. So forecast, now near cast, something which is going to happen next year. We don't even know what is going to happen next year. So we have now come out with a report which talks about what are the emerging technologies, what are the emerging developments in the area of AI. So you all know what has happened today. I don't know what has happened today morning. I didn't see my news in the morning. Something could have happened today morning also. So you understand the world's leading companies are working in this area. So this is one. We have created a foresight, we have created a forecast on what is going to happen in this area in next 2 years, in next 3 years. Next we have looked at if these technologies were to become available. So one of the technologies which is being talked about is something called spatio-temporal technology. So today AI is weak when it deals with physical systems. So what are these physical systems? You are talking about things like robotics, autonomous systems, where there is a interface between AI and physical world. Now, like autonomous driving. So AI is, at this point of time, there is some weakness. So this is the next area. When it comes, the kind of revolution you are seeing in automation of knowledge, we're again going to see a similar kind of breakthrough, automation in the physical world. Robots which will do everything. And that's a very, very dangerous thought, it's a very scary thought. We have to prepare. It is going to come. How do we use this? This is the thing. The next thing that we have done is that we have looked at very specific areas like PIN code. So the model that we have developed along with your university, if you put a PIN code, that like I live in Vrindavan, so my PIN code is 281121. If I put this PIN code in our model, it is able to forecast and predict that what are the developments in AI, what are the challenges of that area, and how can AI help in solving these problems. So friends, I want to share with you, AI is a big threat, AI is a big opportunity. So we are working on something which is called human in loop. I don't know whether you heard this word called human in loop. We look forward to leveraging your intelligence, your brilliance into the system that we are building, but for solving specific problems of India. Fortunately or unfortunately, India, there is no lack of problem. Everywhere you go, there is a problem. So, and this is what the opportunity is. Every problem is an opportunity. So we look forward to this three-stage work, continuous, changing, evolving foresight and forecast on AI. And along with the research director here, we are trying to build an Indo-Russian bridge on AI. We build a forecast, then we understand that what the emerging technologies are going to be, how can they solve our problems, and the specific areas where if you come from a place like Elakwa, what are the challenges and how can AI help in solving the problems in that specific area. That is the work we have done. Thank you very much. I thank Professor Sharma and the university for giving me time to share. I hope that the work that CCSU University is doing under leadership of Honorable Vice Chancellor will make a great mark in the domain of artificial intelligence. Thank you.